All right, I mean, one of Nigerians' Nollywood finest, Oluwakemi Motunrayo. How are you doing?
I'm fine. I'm pretty fine.
You're looking amazing, oh.
Thank you.
Like you really took your time to slay.
Thank you.
Who are you wearing to be precise?
I'm wearing Redmin's collection.
Okay.
Thank you.
Wow, to start with, you look fabulous. So we have all the Golden Stars Awards. When you hear Golden Stars, what comes to mind?
Yeah, a lot. Like I'm seeing good people around, like Saka, your uncle, Yemi Sholade and all. So I know that it's something golden. Actually, it's something golden, and I know I will achieve a lot.
Okay. So being in your field as an actress, what would you say is one of the most discouraging moments for you that you felt like giving up and you didn't, and you discovered that, oh my God, wow, this is a trying moment, but I conquered it?
Sometimes if I go to locations, like I might be on set for like 3 or 4 days, so I won't face the camera or I won't act any movie. So that was the most discouraging.
Or you just go to location, you won't do anything?
No, they call me for jobs now.
Okay.
They call me for jobs. You know, sometimes they'll just call you. Then when you get there, pack all your clothes. When you get to the location, they'll be giving you excuses like, oh, sorry, we can't use you again. Maybe you should come later. You know, all those things. So it's very, very challenging.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what would you say, when was the moment you got your first 1 million naira with your business? And what would be your encouragement to a lot of youngies out there, African entrepreneurs who are trying to pull out through in their business?
That was 2020. That was 2023.
How did you feel?
I feel so great. I feel so happy.
Did you run? How did you feel?
Although I've been counting millions.
More,
when I was
we can see it and there's evidence in our face.
Thank you so much.
So you advise to a lot of people younger people that are trying to pave way in the various industries?
They should be patient, be prayerful, and what else? Prayerful, and don't run faster than your shadow. Yeah.
That's solid. Don't run faster than your shadow.
Yeah.
So being a celebrity who is an actress as well, what would you say before you became a celebrity that you used to do and now you can't do that thing? As a lady, maybe you used to go to the market, now you can't go to... What are the things you used to do as a person that was normal? Now that you're a celebrity, what are the things you can't do again?
I don't go to markets like before. Like, there was a time I went to Lagos Island and the way they are screaming, hey, it's a lot of converter, because that's what they call me.
Yeah.
So ever since then, you know, I've been picking when to go to the markets. So sometimes I'll just be like, I like to do me. I like to do my things in my own way, you understand?
Celebrities are also humans,
yes,
right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Hello, guys. Keep watching Global Plus.